The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Center Police Department is searching for Zinnia and Whitaker. White, female, 2 years old, 2 feet 6 inches, 3 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes, and wearing a pink shirt and white shorts. Police are looking for Zena's Monter Whitaker. White, male, 27 years old, 5 feet 6 inches, 150 pounds, black hair, brown eyes in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving a brown Ford Fusion with unknown Texas temporary tags. The suspect was last heard from in Center, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Center Police Department at 936-598-2788. News media point of contact is Center Police Department at 936-598-2788. The tropical weather outlook.
Why did I know this was going to happen? I knew this was going to happen. I literally just heard the WEA. I rush up here, and they're playing the Amber Alert. But it was already relayed. So that was extremely fast. There you guys go. Good lord.
Coastal stations, temperatures were between 87 and... This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of, or existing severe rain in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day.
Yes!
Problems with reception of this broadcast, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
Checked at the perfect time.
To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Brazoria, Chambers, Fort Bend, Galveston, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waller. Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device.
Dude.
11 a.m. observations at Houston Bush Intercontinental. Mostly sunny.
There you go.
Temperature 90. Dew point 74. Relative humidity 59%. Heat index 99.
By the way,
Wind variable at...
yes, there's the weekly test. Unfortunately, it's only 15 minutes. But shout out to iRaven for this this 250. So we actually did meet up, and I was able to. He gave me this 250. So, all right, guys, there you go. And yeah, there's my cracked phone. There you guys go with the Houston Galveston required weekly test. I didn't think I would actually be able to get this. So there you guys go.
Standby beds again, while the state also contracts with a yet-to-be-named Metro Atlanta hospital to add another 100 regular and ICU beds. The statement the government wants those patients this time are younger, less severe symptoms, and better treatments. Medical facilities are not required to 25 surgeries this time. I-85, Cedar Ridge, 95.5 WSB.
Ticket to situations at Metro Hospitals next is 9 degrees on Peachtree Street at 401. Mostly dry, but even a little hotter for the weekend. WSB meteorologist Mark McKenna has Atlanta's most accurate north forecast coming up. Next, Triple Team Traffic is Mark McKenna.
freeway leaving Wyoming approach. That right lane construction again holding things up. I-20 westbound, basically from Evansville Road all the way by 285 exit 67 lanes. 4 East Covington Highway is halted. Also heavily needed now in Kent County. 21 lanes. Two further middle lanes are knocked out of this injury. I-85 southbound, Jimmy Carter Boulevard. Exit 49. Things are stacking up back here. Your drive on the highway. And even further west, Peachtree Industrial Boulevard will help you. Might see a slew of carrier traffic centers.
Our toughest delays on I-25, southwest side Oregon, travel 25 southbound, the Abduction from southbound drive, exit number 15, being on the I-20 West Freeway, exit number 10, east side perimeter brake lights, 25 southbound, the Interloop. You're seeing the volume leaving Highway 29. That brake's free though as you get down the Covington Highway, exit number 33, changing traffic, 95.5, the West Median.
The number of available hospital beds.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Wilkes County in east central Georgia until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Newtown or near Washington, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Washington, Tignall, Malloysville, Newtown, Danburg, Celeste, Beattivesville, Floral Hill, and Holiday Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-674-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of north and central Georgia.
Oh my god. What is this?
The National Weather Service in
What?
Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jasper County in central Georgia, southeastern Newton County in north central Georgia.
Okay.
Until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Holy.
At 6:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm
Wow.
was located over Starsville, or 7 miles southeast of Covington, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour.
Really?
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Well, there you go.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
That also didn't go off for some reason.
Locations impacted include Newborn, Mansfield, Farrar, Eudora, and North Alcovy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What the heck?
If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-674-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.